this is Dr. Hancock, and this is a short tutorial on adding your photo to your portfolio. Now you should have a photo of yourself somewhere in a digital format. If not, we need to get one, and we can take a picture of you in class if we need to. Then when you get it, if you know how to resize images, resize it to 170 by 216. If not, bring it to class and we'll resize it together. Or ask someone at your school or district who knows how to resize and get them to resize it for you. Once you have that ready to go, just put that image with the rest of your files. Notice we've been gathering files for the class in the My Files folder here. But wherever you've been gathering your files is fine. Then just basically we're going to copy it into the folder, the 2009 portfolio. So I come down and go to copy. Then I go to the 2009 portfolio, which we've unpacked, and I open it. 2009 portfolio, media, the long string of numbers, miscellaneous. And then once I'm in here, I use my right mouse button to click inside, and I say paste. It should prompt me to overwrite if I haven't overwritten the image. What I will see is that my name is wrong. Remember, it's got to be named me.jpg. So this is exactly what we want. We want to replace the image of the beautiful lady with the hairy man. So we say yes. And source. It works. So there's my image working like. Okay guys, this is Dr. Hancock again, and this is our third tutorial in the portfolio series, and this is editing the textual content on your web page. Let's assume that you've got your photo loaded, that you've got all your documents in and are working, and you're ready now just to clean up the text inside your portfolio. So what we're going to do is go in and actually edit the page itself so that it is unique to us. So we're going to go ahead and click into 2009 portfolio. Click, 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 media, the long numbers to miscellaneous. Now the file that we need to edit is the index.html file. Now, I know if you had this class before with me in the beginning, I made you suffer through HTML, but that's not really necessary to do your portfolio. And we want this to be as easy as possible for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to open index.html in Word, edit it, and then save it back. And hopefully it'll work just fine for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to right-click, and we'll have an option down here where it says Open With. See that Open With? Go to Microsoft Office Word, and you're going to see this page open up. And it's going to be nice and kind of big, a little bit bigger than I wanted it to be when I had it showing up to show you guys. But it will look good in Explorer when we come back, because we basically still have our column set up and everything's working nicely. So what we want to come in and do is change this name. If you don't mind, I'm going to change it to Robert Hancock. Not bad. And then I'm going to come down and say my name is Dr. Robert Hancock. Oop. I'm currently employed as a professor at Southeastern Louisiana University in mid-management and educational setting. Now I can change that. I've been in education a zillion years. Okay, now I can keep adding this. I don't want to mess with my links or anything. I want to basically change this about me, and if I want to have some more parenthetical information, I can change this. Like I can come down and change my contact information. Now if I want to change my email link, which I do, because I don't want to be getting your email, highlight it, and then right click, and it says edit hyperlink. You see the mail to? Don't mail it to me. I'll send them a great reference if you mail it to me. You don't want them mailing it to me. Change that to your webmail address. Somebody loves me at somewhere.com. I hope. So I click OK, and that's now taken care of. Now I don't do save as. I just come back and click save. People, save, not save as. We just want to leave it the same. Save. Now I close it out, and I come back and I got an HTML document here. It's now got a bunch of word encoding. It's a pain in the tuchus if you're trying to edit the pure code, but we're not. And we just want to click it and see how it looks in the web. Well, it's trying to access it. There it goes. And it pulled it up, and here's all my changes. For whatever reason, it doesn't like my photo there, so I'm going to go back in Word. I'm going to take that photo out and I'm going to re-add it in Word, and hopefully we can get it to show up a little bit better. So let me show you how to do that also while we're here, because I don't know why it's dropping the photo. So I'm going to come back, I'm going to close Word out, and again you can do this. Close tabs if you need to re-edit. I'm going to come back into Word, right click, and I'm going to say I need to open with Microsoft Office Word. And my photo's showing up fine there, but not in the web, so I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say change picture. Now here's the hard part. The picture needs to be the one in the miscellaneous folder. Nowhere else. If I put a photo from anywhere else on my computer, it's not going to work on the web. It's got to be that one we put in the miscellaneous folder. So I got to go back to desktop, to the 2009 portfolio. 2009 portfolio, media, here, miscellaneous. And I'm going to come down and select the me photo. That's the one I want. And there it is. Now hopefully when I save and close, it will fix my little problem of not showing my photo. Yay! And it works. Okay, there we go. And that fixed my photo situation. So I can use Microsoft Word to edit things like my email link, my contact information, my parenthetical text here, my text up here, and I can even use it to change out my photos to make my screenshots a little bit nicer. So this is a next step in getting your page looking a little bit nicer for you and getting a little more customized for what you want to have for your final portfolio. So again, thank you for watching.